Hey guys, and welcome to a HTML tutorial part 9, and we're going to be learning about tables. We're going to be learning about a HTML table, the table row, table header, and the table data. What each tag means. The table tag means that it will show HTML table. The tr tag means it will be the text will be in rows. The th tag means it will show that it is a header, and the td tag will show data in the table, i.e. below each header. So let's do some tags. So here we are on Sublime Text, and let's get started doing the tables. So the first thing we need to do is just start off with the table tag, which will define that it will be a table. So right here, just make spaces between it. And then we want to tell Sublime Text that how wide it will be. So if we want to do that, just do, so in the table tag, just do style, then write width, then in percent we could do, like, for example, like 50% here, or like 100%, or something like that. So you can make it as wide as you can, but I think 50% will be perfect. So let's start off with the table row. So tr right here, and then make a few spaces between that, then let's start off with a table header. So right here, just inside the table row, just write table header, th. Then in here, let's do like first name, then let's do like 3 columns. So let's do first name, second name, and let's do, for the last one, what Windows they're using. Right here, Windows. Alright, so that's the header done. So this will represent the header, so we could probably save it, refresh, then yeah, so here it will show it right here. So let's do, so we're gonna write in the table data now. So here, so just again do table row, then here do table data right here, td, and then for the first bit, let's say John. So here let's put like John, then here, right, yeah, so, and for the second bit, right, Smith. Then for the Windows bit, let's say 7, 2D, then 7. Then here let's save, then refresh, then for each header underneath it will say John Smith, and then for Windows 7. And we could make another row as well. So if you want to make another row, just do the same thing. So we could just copy and paste this here, then right here, and then here again we could just put like Harry, then Winks, then then he'll have used to say like a Windows 10. So just save, refresh, then here underneath the John Smith it will say Harry Winks 10. So again, let's do another row. So as always, you could just copy and paste it just to make life easier. Then we could put like Kevin, put again Smith, I guess, and then put we could just write like Windows. He has a Windows 8. Then save it, refresh, then again here. So we can make like another table like this right here, or I mean we could change the width of the table. So let's do 100%. I think it'll be wider. Yeah, I mean it's kind of confusing of where it is, so let's just put it back to 50%. 50% right here, save, and then it'll be right here. We could do another table as well, so let's do table right here, and then do a few spaces or few enters. Then here let's work out the width. So so style equals what was it, width. Then right, let's do 100% this time. Let's do like a different style table. Then here we can write table row. Then here let's start off the table header. So let's just make this simple. So let's do table header. Then do here we could do first name. Then here last name. Then here again let's write age right here. Then let's remove these. Then underneath let's do the table data. So here we could do tr here, then enter once, then do td, which will represent the data underneath the header right here. Then let's put like a football player's name, so let's do like Kevin. Oh, whoops. Right here. Then last name TD De Bruyne. Then I'm not sure how old is he, but let's just assume he's at 25 right here. Yeah, so that's one here. So let's just save this and then refresh, then it'll make another table. And look, it just looks really messed up. Like it's not, like it doesn't even look like it's in the right section. So I mean, I should actually recommend 50% of the table width. Save, then refresh, then yeah, it'll go back to a normal one, which you could actually see is under the right headers. So let's do another football player's name. So tr, then put td, then here what should we put, like Harry Kane right here. Put here td, then Kane, and again I'm not sure how old is he, but let's just assume he's at 30. So put td, then put 30 right here, and then let's save, refresh, then it'll come up right here. So so yeah, I think we're done with the table. So in this video we went through tables and the width, the rows, headers, and again we've done the same thing right here. So let's get on to the HTML questions. So here are going to be the questions. So number 1, what is a TD? Number 2, is it a completed HTML table? And number 3, name all tags mentioned in the HTML tutorial. So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you answered all those questions. If you haven't, just pause the video then before we get into the answers. So now let's get into the answers right now. So the answers are: number 1, the DT tag, the TD tag, which will show data in the table I below each header. So if you get that right. Number 2, no, we need to add CSS to make it perfect table. Like for example, like design the table and etc. Put lines and yeah. So number 3, table, tr, th, and td, which are table row, table header, and table data. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these. Thank you.